So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about how I got a remote job while being in my final year of BTech. If you're someone who is preparing for remote jobs, then you should watch this video till the end. I will discuss everything about how I prepared, what platforms I use to find remote jobs, and what are the things that you should keep in mind if you are preparing for the same. So let's talk about preparations first. So I have not did any separate preparations. Most of my preparations, most of my learnings came from my professional work, which I was doing for several companies, several startups I worked for as an intern. So whatever I was doing, I was sharing publicly, gathering feedback. I have built my personal projects, side projects. So that was the whole thing that contributed to my learnings, my preparation for the remote job. So now let's talk about two platforms which I mostly use if I have to find remote jobs. These platforms are Y Combinator Jobs. So this is a platform by Y Combinator where you can find all the YC startups which are hiring. You can do so many filters according to your preferences, and that is the best part I like about that platform. Second platform that I like the most is Wellfound. Here you can find all the startups which are hiring. Either they can be YC backed, either they are not YC backed, they are funded, they are bootstrapped. You can find all kind of startups. Okay, so now let's talk about some tips which I have for anyone who is preparing for remote jobs. So basically, these are some things that you should remember if you are preparing. So the first thing is things will not going to be easy. I am saying that because you don't know what preparation you have. There is no certain criteria that if you can do that, you will surely get a remote job. That's mostly luck based. So you will get opportunity even if you are not prepared, you might get the job. Even if you are very much prepared, you might not get the job. So there is no certain criteria for that, and it's mostly luck based. Second thing that I want to say is you have to wait, because the process in remote jobs, the interview process is not very certain. It might take only 2 days, it might take a month. Second thing is, if you are reaching out to someone, then always try to follow up after 3 to 5 days and tell them that you are looking forward to the reply and they can give that reply. That will be great. And yes, that's all for this video. And if you have any questions which you want to ask me, you can comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.